I used to be a nurse. Now I run a six-figure business right out of my garage. I'm Eric Street, and I'm from Indiana. Up until 2021, I was a registered nurse. In 2021, I had a massive stroke in my brainstem, and just like that, nursing was over for me. After my stroke, I started looking into ways to help me recover. I was bored, I was stuck at home, and I was looking for something to do. And I found that people that had a creative hobby actually had better outcomes than people who didn't do anything after they had a stroke. I was looking for a laser cutter, and I stumbled upon xTool. My first project was actually for my nurse friends. I was making badge buddies, honestly, because I missed them. People kept coming back and saying, hey, like, my friend needs one, or this person needs one, you should sell them. So that's when we started the Etsy. It kind of exploded. We have sold over 7,000 of them now, and it's turned into a full-time business for us. Badge buddies, stethoscopes, nursing accessories in general.
The margins are actually kind of crazy. We can sell a badge for $13 and it costs less than $1 to make. It's upwards of 1,200%.
Our largest order was over 250 stethoscopes, and our revenue from that was over $5,000. Entrepreneur Magazine actually interviewed us in June to highlight our business. It was all my wife's idea. She brings the mind for design. She knows what's going to be pretty and what's going to sell. We recently just purchased my son the M2, and he's super excited about it.
My first thing was a Minecraft engraving.
You know, most people have family game night or family movie night. We just have family crafting nights.
The thing we're most proud about is that it's really turned our family into a true crafting family based around these machines.
I started hosting demos, and it has been very rewarding. I love teaching people how to use the lasers. The lasers really and truthfully sell themselves as soon as people see them. You know, it's a done deal. Of course, we love the success from the business, but really and truthfully, it's the pride in making the items. Getting our hands dirty as a family and making things is just a really rewarding process for us.
The creativity inspired by these machines is really one thing that's brought us all together as a family.
I'd never thought of myself as a creative person before. I found a part of me that I didn't know existed, and I'm a maker now. It proved that I can go through something traumatic like a stroke and still come out okay. I'm still a good dad, and I'm still able to run a business. I would never go back to nursing. I love what I do. I wouldn't give it up for anything. It's a whole new me. Discovering xTool and my passion for making really kind of unlocked potential that I didn't know was there.